nothing can hide on the Wunda chair. It's such a concentrated, small space where you have to explore your body. So there's no place to hide and go out. So it's very challenging. Try to imagine you against a wall, all of you. So as you press down, feel the back of your body. Don't think I'm pressing down. Think pressing up. And almost back sometimes. Press down and feel the back of your body. And release. And if you feel like your head tends to want to press forward, you can always put your hands behind your head, yes. And if your hips tend to be uneven, you can press your hands on your hips and drop the pelvis down.